Nope, we don't get to play. And then they're going to come over to the second door and let you out. Parents are not allowed in the classroom at this time because of the virus. So you are going to be let out and you are going to be able to come in this door. Now there will be an adult to help you. And once you come in, there is going to be a hand sanitizer, and you're just going to put your hand sanitizer on your hands. Then you are going to come over and you're going to take your temperature. It's really easy and very painless, okay? There's a tall one and a small one. If you're tall, you'll go to the tall one. If you're small, you'll go to the small one. And all you do is you step up
Please
to
wear
it.
a mask. Temperature is normal.
And it tells me my temperature's normal, so I am good to go. But did you hear? They said put on your mask. That's one of the things we need to remember this year. As we walk down the hallway, we're going to go by the office. And in the office, you will find Miss Christie. If you were here last year, you might remember Miss Christie.
Hello.
And Jesse's in here helping. So this is the office. And then we're going to go back down the hallway. And it looks like a long hallway, but it's really not that long. And we will go, keep on walking past the place that we go to PE, and we'll talk about that on our first day. The music room. Mrs. Morford is the music teacher, and you will get to come into her classroom. And this is Mrs. Morford. You can wave You will meet Mrs. Morford on the first day that we have music, probably on Friday. So anyway, this will be where you come for music. Okay, we're gonna shut her door. We're gonna continue on down the hall. Right now we kind of have a mess in this hallway, but hopefully it will go away pretty soon. And we turn the hall, and I see a sign. It says, welcome to kindergarten. So you know we're in the kindergarten room. And you see my mascot. I love Pete the cat. And Pete the cat is going to be on a lot of things. And our sign says, we are rocking in our school shoes. You're going to have to choose, and we'll talk about these on the first day, some way to start your day. If you want to give me an elbow bump, a foot bump, a bow, we'll talk about that on tomorrow. Then, this is our classroom. We're ready, almost ready for kindergarten. And as I said, I love Pete the cat. So you see my bookshelf over here is full of Pete the cat books. I hope you like Pete the cat too. Then we have some other books and a word wall, and we have some manipulatives. Oh, and our back bulletin board has Pete the cat on it also. I have a few things that I would like to show your parents. One is our district this year is asking everybody bring an extra mask. Put it in a baggie with your name on it. That would help. Then also, parents, we would like for you to send an extra set of clothing for your children, just in case we would have an accident. This should be in a plastic bag with their child's name on it also. Then I will be sending home a folder, and you will have Pete the cat on your folder, and in it will be some forms that I would like parents to fill out. One is a student information sheet, and your parents can fill it out and return it on Friday or next Monday, or you need to make sure that you take a picture of it and send it back in. That would work also. Then there's also a kindergarten handbook, and the kindergarten handbook will have a lot of information for you to go over with your parents, okay? It's very important that they read through that. It'll answer a lot of questions. But if they do have any questions, there is my contact information on there. so they will be able to contact me and ask questions. I am so excited to get to see you tomorrow. So we will see you tomorrow. Bye.